Well, what happened? You startled? Holy fuck, what do you got?
Power supply.
Holy Van Schneikowitz. Is it plugged in?
Doobly doobly? No. Well, I gotta hook up the, there's a switch that, you know, different load levels.
Nice.
But from MIG welder, I don't know what to do with it. I think making a stick welder, but.
Man, you could make a spot welder like big time out of that.
That's what I was thinking, right? Like these two cells, like there's two primaries, two secondaries. So you can hook them up like batteries, parallel in series. So I was thinking, you know, double up on the amperage, cut the, you know, voltage in half. Might work, right? I just wondered, like, do you have any use for this big ass battery? That's now. Marine.
For battery?
I think it's basically new. It'll just sit here if I don't, like, I'm not going to use it, right? I was just kind of digging through my thinking you might be able to use it for, I don't know, one of your tractors or something.
Oh, yeah.
I tested it after I charged it.
I should swap that out for one of the batteries in my truck.
Yeah, maybe. let me check it. I tested it twice and I charged it.
Did you paint that engine all up? Paint that engine all up?
Yeah, it's the same one on your like masonry saw.
Yeah.
I think this one's a little bigger. This is 18 horse. That's the one. Remember that old what do you call it? Ditch switch?
Yeah.
That's what that came off. They
right
trashed
on.
The rest of it, but that's the one thing that never failed.
Yeah.
You always fired up in time. So yeah, that's off of that one. You know, see they didn't, you know, scoop off it. I figured I'd keep that.
Yeah. Keep a couple bits.
Yeah.
Oh, your clam, bud.
Yeah, me and Karen found those.
What are you building here?
Yeah, homemade transistor.
Oh, it's just like you're making a little radio?
You know those old vacuum tube transistors?
Oh, yeah.
I haven't tried it yet. Like, it's ready. I got the little tungsten filament in there and control grid and everything. I just haven't tried it.
You just suck the air out of it, or what?
Yeah, you had to create a vacuum, and I think you're supposed to have an inert gas in there, like CO2 or argon or something like that.
Right on.
I need to check into it further. But yeah, I think get one of those induction coil things. Looks like the one you got, right? But
yeah, I don't know where my fucking tester went.
yeah, it's a very important thing to have. I haven't tested this thing like at least 6 months. 13 and a half volts. Okay, there you go. Oh, she's still holding pretty good, big time.
Put your finger on it.
Make some toast on her. That's holding good. Oh yeah, look at that, she's red hot.
Good Lord.
I haven't tested it since
Oh, we know it.
I don't know, like 5-6 months ago, so I didn't want it, right? I was just thinking it'll just sit here and eventually be no good.
Yeah, I'll take it. Yeah, fuck. Do the old battery swap in my rig. Then it's got those knobs on it too, so you can hook up different, right? Yeah, and put your things on there.
$300 for those things. All just
Ooh, that smells warm.
Yeah, big time.
You should bring that with you, and then you can warm your hands up when it's minus 18 out.
I think it's supposed to be nice.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I should have the starter and the seals and the brake pads and the e-brake cables, and I got the gasket for the air compressor. I wasn't able to find O-rings or that fuel filter.
Orange. I think you mentioned it. I doubt it, but you never know, right?
Yeah.
Because like they don't fit anything. But like if you use one with really
Yeah, they're thick.
tiny, like maybe not one, but
Maybe.
it depends on the band, right?
Yeah. Well, I got the thing in the car. I should grab it. You want to come in and smoke cigarettes with Nelson?
Here if you're always in a hurry. Ah, perfect.
Yeah, see, this thing's really thin, eh?
Yeah, Closeness is looking a little thick for it.
Yeah. I mean, maybe, but
Yeah, sticking out a fair bit. That's the bitch about them. You always could get
yeah.
thickness right. Not even close, eh?
No.
And there's that.
Right
Anything
on.
else we might need?
Just Nelsapini. What's your different fluids?
It's sulfuric acid. It's dissolved copper in it.
Oh yeah.
So it's like if you got electroplate something like a piece of steel, so they can solder it. You can solder it. You just put the surface.
Right on. Right on. Okay.